How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp the correct way. Please keep in mind this video is updated to 2024 and iOS 17, so let's get started. So when I say backup, I do mean a full backup of your WhatsApp. So all your chats, all your media, documents, groups, absolutely everything that's right here on your WhatsApp, we're gonna actually back it up. So we're gonna create a security copy. And this is absolutely necessary if you use WhatsApp. Okay, so there are actually a few ways you can back up WhatsApp. Some of them work, some of them not much. And the way most people do it is simply by going here to your settings, and then scroll down just a bit until you see chats, and right here, chat backup. So as you can see, there is a built-in backup feature right here inside WhatsApp. And as you can see, I don't use it. I mean, the last time it was done, it was like 2 years ago, and it was actually automatic. And I don't use this feature simply because it genuinely doesn't work, especially if you have a ton of data on your WhatsApp, like is my case. It just doesn't work. So you may tap here on backup now, and then after a few minutes, it'll just freeze. The process just won't finish, or sometimes it will in fact finish. So the backup will be successful, but when you actually need to recover it, when you need to use the backup, it just will crash, not work, or it'll be incomplete. So in the end of the day, I don't recommend that you use the chat backup feature inside WhatsApp, right? What I want you to do is actually to use the iPhone backup. So instead of backing up WhatsApp inside of WhatsApp, no, you can just back up your iPhone, and then all your WhatsApp data will be included in that backup. So there are actually a few ways you can back up your iPhone. You can back it up to iCloud or back up to a computer. I'm going to talk about both methods. All right, so first, an iCloud backup. All you have to do is open up your settings, and then right here at the top, tap here on your banner with your name, and then right here, iCloud, as you can see, and then scroll down just a bit until you see iCloud backup right there. Okay, so if you're like me and you use iCloud and you use iCloud backups for a while, you probably already have it set up automatically, like it's my case. For example, I have a less successful backup today, this morning, 8 in the morning. So then I already have my backup right here, meaning I already have my WhatsApp backup. I already have all of my chats, conversations, media, documents, absolutely everything saved, included in this backup. Because as I said, when we back up the iPhone, we're also backing up everything that's inside the iPhone. So not only our settings and our apps, but also the data inside those apps. So a full WhatsApp backup is already included in your iPhone backup. In this case, an iCloud backup, right? So then if you already have a recent successful backup, you're good to go. Of course, you can always tap here and back up now. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, okay, Daniel, but then the iCloud backup is paid. In the end of the day, you have to pay for iCloud Plus, otherwise you don't have storage to back up to iCloud. And that's true because not everyone pays for iCloud Plus, and if you don't pay and if you don't want to spend money on a backup, I super understand that, and that's why you have the second method, which is a computer backup. So you can simply go ahead and plug in your iPhone to your computer, either PC or a Mac, okay, via the cable, and then you can use iTunes or you can use Finder and simply back up your iPhone, and then again, all your WhatsApp data will be included in that backup as well. So if you're not really familiar with the process of backing up your iPhone to a computer, don't worry, I have a full video step by step here on the channel. I'll leave a card right here, link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. Okay, so that's how you back up your WhatsApp on your iPhone. Simply back up your iPhone, and it's all there, it's all included. And there's even another alternative, which is for you that maybe you bought a new iPhone, right? And you just want to transfer all your data from one iPhone to another, and you don't want to have the hassle of backing up or anything like that. No problem. You can also transfer iPhone to iPhone. You can do this straight iPhone to iPhone transfer. And again, your WhatsApp data will be there as well, will be included as well. That's a different process, a different method. It's just a transfer, right? But it works as well if that's your case of you just buying a new phone, okay? So that'll work. And I also have a video here on the channel, again, card here, link in the description, so you can go ahead and do that if that's your case, okay? So that's it. That's how you create a security file. That's how you fully back up your WhatsApp on your iPhone the right way, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as usual.